dear students. Students, in some previous lecture, we studied about the subject computer. And today, we will learn about the lesson number 2. The name of lesson is the parts of a computer. The lesson number 2. The lesson name is parts of a computer, and today we will discussing about the exercise. Today we will discussing about the exercise. Okay. So my dear students, in previous lecture we completed the parts of a computer. So in our first lecture, in a block number 2, first lecture, we study the functions of a computer, or what are the main functions of a computer. So which are the main functions? Like the input, processing, output. Which are the functions? Input, processing, output. Okay, these are the functions of a computer. And what are the 5 main devices of a computer? So 5 main devices of a computer are the keyboard, mouse, CPU box, monitor and printer. There are the 5 main devices of a computer. So the functions of a computer, like the input, processing and output. So what are the input devices? Input devices are the keyboard and mouse. Which are the input devices? Keyboard and mouse. Like this. This is a picture of keyboard, and keyboard has a many keys or many buttons, and this is a picture of a mouse. Okay. Then the third is a CPU box. What is the long form of CPU box? The long form of CPU box is the central processing unit. Okay, and picture of central processing unit like this. This is a CPU box, means that the central processing unit. Then the monitor. Monitor, what are the picture of monitor? So this is a picture of the monitor, and you know that the monitor is always look like the TV, like a screen. And then a printer, this is a picture of printer. So in a printer we always print out the papers, and they gives always the output, means that the monitor and printer are the output devices. Monitor and printer are the output devices, but the mouse, keyboard and CPU box are the input devices. Okay. So my dear students, today we will learn about discussing about the exercise depending on the lesson number 2, parts of a computer. So see the question number first. Fill in the blanks with the help of words given in the brackets. Fill in the blanks with the help of words given in the brackets. Means that here gives us some options in the form of words, and then we fill the words and complete the sentences. Okay. So first sentence, the main functions of a computer are dash dash, dash dash and dash dash. What are the main functions of computer? So input, processing and output. So sentences, the main functions of computer are input, processing and output. Okay. So here give the options: input, processing, output, or keyboard, mouse and monitor. Okay. So question number 2, the keyboard and the mouse are dash dash devices, input and output. So my dear students, you know that the keyboard and mouse always gives the input. So these devices are called the input devices. So correct option is input. Question 3. The dash dash is the processing device. Already you know that the CPU means central processing unit. So correct answer is CPU. Okay. So always CPU write in a capital letters. Then question 4. The monitor and the printer are dash dash devices. You know that the monitor and the printer always gives the output. And therefore these parts are called the output devices. So correct answer is the output. Then Next question. The dash dash is also known as the pointing device. Keyboard and mouse. Which are the pointing device? So correct answer is a mouse. Then question 6. The dash dash is used to enter data into the computer, monitor and keyboard. So my dear students, you know that the monitor always gives the output. So the keyboard, with the help of keyboard, we always enter the data into the computer. So correct answer is a keyboard. Question number 7. CPU means, the option are the central processing unit and next option is the common processing units. Already you know that the CPU means C for central, P for processing, U for unit, the central processing unit. Then 8. The dash dash is used to print on paper, monitor or printer. Which option is correct? So correct option is a printer. So the printer is used to print on a paper. Then 9th. The dash dash displays the output, monitor and mouse. Already you know that the mouse is a input device. So monitor displays the output. So 9th answer is the monitor displays the output. Then 10th number. The dash dash has a more than 100 keys on it. The options are keyboard and mouse. Already you know that the keyboard has many keys, more than the hundreds. So keyboard is a correct answer because the mouse included only the 3 buttons, but keyboard always included the many buttons like the more than 100. Okay. Then next 11th question. The dash dash has a 2 or 3 buttons on it, monitor and mouse. Already on a mouse 2 or 3 buttons on it. Question 12. The dash dash is called the brain of a computer, CPU and mouse. What is called the brain of computer? So correct answer is a CPU. CPU is called the brain of computer because on the input they processes and after that they gives the output. So therefore the CPU is called the brain of the computer. Question number 2. Name the following with the help of the words given in the brackets. Okay. Name the following with the help of words given in the brackets. 2 main functions of computers. Here we have given options are monitor, printer, keyboard, mouse, input, processing, output. So here give the 2 functions. So input, processing, output are the functions. So therefore A is the input and B is the processing. Then question 2. Write 2 input devices. So here which are the 2 input devices? So here keyboard and mouse are the input devices. So A is a keyboard, B is a mouse. Question 3. 2 output devices. So already you know that the output devices means that the monitor and printer are the output devices because they always give the output. Then question 4. 2 devices connected to the CPU box with a cable. So which devices are connected to the CPU with the cable? So CPU, keyboard and monitor or printer or monitor. Okay. So the question 3. Match the following displays output. Which are the correct answer? So monitor. Prints output. So answer is a printer. 3. Pointing device. So answer is a mouse, E. Then question 4. Letter keys. So on a keyboard. So answer is a keyboard. Then 5th. Processes input. So answer is a CPU. Okay. So students, these answers you write in a answers lines. Okay. So already I tell the answers of all questions. So my dear students, today's homework of subject computer. Solve the exercise on the page number 10 and 11 and send me with the WhatsApp. Okay, thank you.